Hey, what's fun guys? Guess what? Another leak. And you know what? It's coming from Best Buy again.
I can't believe I just did that.
So this time we're talking about the Mavic Air 2S. This is not Mavic Air 2S obviously, but... So let's check out the video that was leaked some days ago, just after this. Wow, did I just saw some 1-inch sensor? 1-inch CMOS sensor? Wow, it's amazing. It's like, okay. And yeah, according to the rumors and according to this video, there's 2 extra sensors on the top of the drone. So some say it's gonna allow the drone to better detect obstacles in front when fly at high speed. So we'll see about that. And also, yeah, let's come back to the 1-inch CMOS sensor. My god, some leaks said that it was gonna be able to film in 5.4K at 30 FPS for videos, so it's amazing. And other infos about it, it's like it's gonna contain OcuSync 3.0, so you're gonna be able to fly it far, but keep always an eye contact on the drone to be safe with the law. And also, but it's gonna contain the same batteries as this one, so it's gonna be 3,500 milliamp hour batteries. So I guess it's gonna be compatible with those batteries. And also, they say it's gonna be a bit heavier than the Mavic Air 2, so it's gonna be about 30 grams. They say, probably due to the extra 2 sensors that are included in it. And yeah, oh, ADS-B is gonna be inside. It's the detection of aircraft in your area, so it's gonna pop up on your little map in your app. It was mainly in North America that you could have the ADS-B sensor in your drone, so I wonder if it's gonna be worldwide this time. Also, yeah, it's gonna be compatible with the goggles, the DJI goggles V2. This is pretty cool. Also, it might be compatible with the motion controller. Maybe not as effective as the FPV drone because it was designed for this, but we'll see about that later. And oh, as you see in this video, there's some prod blades with the orange tip, so I guess it's gonna be quieter props, I don't know, or stealthier as they like to say. So I can't wait to see some tests about this. And yeah, according to those images from Best Buy again, the cost for the Fly More combo is gonna be $12.99 US, and for the drone only is gonna be $7.99 US. And you know what? It's coming. It's not coming in 1 month. It's not coming in 2 weeks. Supposedly, it's coming this week, April 15th. Yeah, it's pretty amazing. But I wonder, why are they releasing another drone? Like they just released the FPV drone some months ago. No, wait, it's not even 2 months. And now they're releasing a sequel to the Mavic Air 2. So I wonder why. Maybe they want to release the Mavic Pro 3, or maybe this is gonna be called Mavic 3 in November, October. We'll see about that. But yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna buy the Air 2S, but it's pretty impressive, especially for the camera, because this camera is okay. This one's a 1/2-inch sensor. It does the job. I wonder if with the 1-inch sensor, if you're gonna be able to grade a bit more to play with the videos with a better dynamic range. I hope so. It's a 1-inch, so it's gonna be a direct competition to their own line, their own Mavic Pro 2. Well, maybe it's gonna be not that high end, so it's mid-range. Oh well, so what do you think about that? Are you gonna buy the Air 2S, or are you gonna stick with your beautiful Air 2 like I do? Let me know in the comments down below. And also please like this video if you like what you saw, and also please subscribe to my channel. It's free for you and it's gonna help me build this channel a bit more. So thanks again guys for watching this whole video, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.